Hello everyone, and welcome back to the classroom, working with soft pastels again. So I have done a few different ones this morning. So we've done a cute puppy, a sailing boat with a sunset, and now I thought I would do some birds in a tree, but with a bit of a beautiful soft background, a bit like the sunset we've done with the boats. But I'm going to use different colours. So I have used a piece of this creamy colour out of the pastel pad, the paper, as my background, but you could probably choose whatever you like. I think it's better to be on the lighter side of this composition. So we're going to start off with a circle in the middle, or just actually above the halfway point. It's like our sun, and we're going to put some yellow around it. And I'm wanting to actually do more pinky sky this time, so I've chosen the pale pinks out of the set. Slightly brighter pink. And a red. Like such, and then I'm going to put a bit of purple down here. So you can see I'm using the edge of the pastel. Easier for ourselves, and then some lovely blue down in the bottom here, and a bit of blue into our corners as well. Okay, putting those aside, we'll do some blending with our finger. So starting in the middle with the white, just apply a bit of pressure and blend those colours as you go. I want you to just keep moving outwards and not go back into the middle, because what will happen is that you pick up some of these colours on the outside and bring them into the white, and you lose the freshness of that lovely white sun. Before we move into the blue, I just want to do the reds. Pinks and reds, and then into the purple. So we'll leave the blue for last. Okay, can move down into the blue. Happy with everything else. And up here. Okay, and we'll brush off any excess. Like so. Now I feel that it needs a little bit more red, so I'm going to just come back over the red a bit. Just do another layer. Just to brighten it up a bit, and a bit of the pink, I think. Just because I want some stronger colour in there. But you might choose to leave yours and create a very soft background. Okay, I'll just blend that just with a clean finger. It's probably my cleanest. And blow off any excess pastel. Now we've got a lovely soft background, and we can pick up our black and put in a tree, which will be the home for some little birds. Okay, so I'm going to bring my tree in from this side. So here's the trunk. I'm going to bring it across our sun so that it really stands out. And like this. Some branches. Okay. So you can do as many branches as you like. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bird, a little circle for his head, slightly oval for his body, and his beak. Another little guy up here. And I might do a third one here. You can be looking up. Blow off any of the excess. Let's make that a bit thicker. Okay, now I want to put some little white flowers on the edge of my branch, on the tips of my branches. But it's just very simple little marks at the end. Just so I'm applying quite a bit of pressure on this. That's my dirty fingers on there. Okay, blow off any excess. And I think that's it. That is a very simple pastel drawing, but you could fill it up with lots of little birds, or you could even use your pastel pencils to get some more detail. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.